Hey, Black Barbie. Or should I say the eyes of Black Barbie? Guys, I am back. Well, I've been here, but I'm back. I am cleaning up my room today. I just had my ceiling fixed, so they had to take all my stuff off my dresser and put it all right over there, which is right here on my bed, like seriously. But today's vlog is about cleaning my room. And actually, I'm actually thinking about getting this dresser out of my room. Like, look at this dresser out of my room. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to take out all the junk stuff from out of my dresser and put it into a bag because I am getting this dresser out. All by myself, probably. Let's begin.
Anything that I don't need is going in the trash. This is going to be a long day. I still got 2 eyelashes left, seriously. And it came from China. I remember this day took so long to come in. Don't get everything off eBay. Don't. This is my case that my party advisor gave me. Pink. I'm madly pink. When I say I'm pinky, I am pink. Pink. Everything's pink. I got hot pink curtains. And then I have my baby pink. Then I have my gray chandelier to bring it all out. I don't know why I have these heat bags. I got my black case and my personal. I do be writing stuff in here. Let me see what I got in here. I would want to share with you guys. Oh, this is a poem. I write poems when I'm sad. I might as well share with you guys since I have it in my head. The poem, I wrote this on June the 18th, 2019 at 7:03 p.m. I always want to know the time I start writing it. It's called A Heart That Goes On. You can be in love with somebody, but that doesn't mean they love you at the same as much as you do. He comes home with something to complain about after you had a stressful day at work. Listen up, close your eyes for 4 minutes and think this, and keep saying it until you get it. If no one get hurt, an unloyal thing to someone, then what is a relationship worth? The man has to leave or do something to know if he's fully committed to you. So basically what I'm trying to say is if nobody understands, it takes somebody to come in your life, know all the things from what you like and dislike. And after you guys know each other likes and dislikes, it gets kind of boring, because you guys dislikes, y'all been around for too long. So it's time for separation. And then if it's meant to be, it'll come back together. Y'all find each other, keep coming back together. Back to back, back to back. And then one day you guys will get fucking tired of it. And then ready for some stability. I'm sorry for my cussing words, but I had to put it that way because it's called A Heart That Goes On. So it takes for a wrong, sad turn to know if this is the right one. Like, you'll feel completely empty without them. Let's see here. Yeah. I ain't sharing that. Yeah. That's it. A heart that goes on. Okay. My passport from when I was a baby. Look at this. This is when I was a baby. See, look at me now. Wait, let me put it this way. The present, the past, the future. The past, the present. Like, look at this. You can tell that it's me. This is trash. Wait, this is going on. I have a breast pump and I never used it. This going in the trash. Trash. This needs to be kept safe and sound. Trash. Trash. Wait, I'm keeping this. Keep. I'm keeping this. Yes, I love to sing, guys. I love to sing. Dun, 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 dun. And this is the thing my teacher gave me to write all my thoughts inside of it. Yep. Quite a memory. I'll just read out the picture. Went from right here. Oh, I'm still in the same spot, am I? Yes! I'm still in the same spot. I was 2 people down. I'm right here. Even though you guys can't see, I'm like right here. And then in this picture, I'm right there in that blue.
For the people that say I don't work out, how can you be Black Barbie? I thought I popped it and don't work out. But this is what you put in between your legs. They're not in your shoes. My rubber bands. Keep. Sorry about that. I had a call coming in and I had to take the call. Literally doing a man's job. Look at this. Not joking when I said I was going to take all these things out. Downstairs to go get them. Oh boy, what's going on? What you crying for? Come on. Lord, have mercy. Come on. Hey. Go ahead, finish your crying. He ain't gonna tell him, but I'll tell you. Anytime I'm vlogging y'all, I hear him crying. He's spoiled. Alright everyone, so basically I had to have some help to take it down and I had no extra help behind me to record it. But this is how everything looks now. It's so spacious. It's right here. And I'll be done. I think I should do a little rearrangement around my room. I'm always rearranging. I am going to let this thing get started and see where this thing goes, okay? Stay tuned. I love you. Yeah, I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, get it. Hey guys. So this is the update from the very first time when I showed you guys that my room was like a mess. This is how it looks now. Even messier. And right here, everywhere's a mess. He's knocked out on the chair. And I clearly just finished with my TV and stuff. Now, I just need to get these things off of my bed. Or 2. Or 2.5. See you guys soon. So you got my perfume, my water bottles and stuff over there. And then you have my mirror and my picture right there. And then right there, all me right here. All me. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope everybody have a good day today.